True's horizontal bottle cooler and glass chiller are part of our extensive lineup of award-winning underbar refrigeration products. Available in a variety of sizes, units are equipped with efficient, environmentally friendly, balanced refrigeration systems. Bottle coolers keep products between 33 and 38 degrees, while glass chillers maintain 0 degrees to frost up glasses and mugs. All units are made with stainless steel countertops and lids with stainless steel or black powder coated exteriors and long-lasting galvanized steel interiors. Cabinets can also be powder coated in additional custom colors to stand out or fit your design. Bottle coolers come standard with locks and a bottle opener cap catcher, which can be mounted to the exterior as needed. 2 heavy-duty adjustable bin dividers maximize storage. Interior LED lighting provides even illumination throughout the cabinet. Glass chillers include 3 adjustable, heavy-duty wire shelves. Ratchet locks and handles are optionally available. Casters and cabinet legs are also available for glass chillers and bottle coolers. True's underbar equipment is designed to exceed the performance and reliability demands of bars and restaurants. True's reversing condenser fan motor helps minimize periodic maintenance while increasing energy efficiency. True is committed to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, providing colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's horizontal bottle cooler and glass chiller.